Hello everybody, my name is Ling. Today we're going to be talking about privacy and property. So this is a very basic human right that every single individual should have, which is privacy and property. So when we talk about the word privacy and property, what do you guys think of? What do you guys think is its meaning? So today we're going to be talking about that. So first, what is privacy? Privacy is the ability to set the boundaries to the extent of what information of yourself should a person know about you. So basically what does it mean is that, for example, in your life, you will have different things, right? You probably have friends, you probably have secrets, you probably have crazy stories, you probably have crazy events that happen to you. And so it is your right for you to be able to whether or not do you want to keep it to yourself or do you want to share with other people. And so that is what privacy is. Privacy is usually when you're able to control the boundaries, to control to what extent can somebody knows some information about you. And usually it is related to data, to likings, everything could be turned into your privacy. It could be onto what food you like, it could be into your food allergies, it could be into your basic like likings on like what is your social media, or there could be other more private things like your house address or your social security number, which should be 1% private. And so it could be from the very smallest thing in life to be some like really small facts about yourself to like some of the biggest things about yourself that you could keep private, and it's totally 100% up to you for you to be able to decide on whether or not should that be private or should that be published. And so that is what privacy means. Secondly is the word property. Property means the ownership of something. So for example, for me, this is my clothes, and so that means this is my property, right? And so my clothes is my property, my body is my property, my thoughts is my property, anything that is in the ownership of my name is my property. And what can I do with my property? I could be able to control it, I could be able to keep it to myself or share it to the public. I should be the one that's going to be in control with my property and with my privacy. And so today we've talked about the two forms of privacy and property. Now, what is important here that I want you guys to know about is that you need to respect others people's privacy and property. Because again, it's something that's up to them to decide on whether or not do they want it to be shared with people, or do they want it to be publicly, or whether or not do they want it to be exclusively to their knowledge. And so if you want people to respect your privacy and your property, you should be able to do that in the first place. So remember that privacy and property are two very important things of an individual, and that is very important that you could respect privacy and property of others people before they could respect yours. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.